Give a cold shoulder. Act rudely to someone. For example, nobody knows why Diaz gave Rayon a cold shoulder. Better late than never. To do something later rather than not at all. For example, well, we thought it was better late than never, but where are the others? Let sleeping dogs lie. To stop discussing something that is already over or sorted out. For example, the police had warned us to let sleeping dogs lie and move ahead with our lives. Cold feet. Meaning, becoming nervous. Example, it was her chance to speak and she was getting cold feet. Miss the boat. To act too slowly and miss an opportunity. For example, you will miss the boat if you wait any longer. Cost an arm and a leg. Used to refer to something that is extremely expensive. For example, I think it will cost an arm and a leg to get the car my brother wants. Catch more flies with honey than you can with vinegar. Getting what you want by being nice. For example, if you ask politely, you may be able to catch more flies with honey than you can with vinegar. Pull someone's leg. To make fun of someone. For example, Kevin's friends kept pulling his leg all evening. Comparing apples to oranges. To compare two things that are completely different and cannot be compared. For example, comparing a doctor's profession to a teacher's profession is like comparing apples to oranges. Get your act together. To stop fooling around and do something in the way it should be done. For example, it is time you get your act together and do something useful.